brand new day and the birds they chirping. Got that ceiling paint over here about to get going on these downstairs. Just keep getting sturdy. The cabinets, a couple windows, and a couple other items supposed to be delivered today. Upstairs, we starting to paint these walls. Told you I'm keeping that trim the same, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all didn't already. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me, smoke, my fault, Brody. Getting that cut in real quick, getting the walls cut in real quick. Feel me? That's rhodium white. Bro, just cutting these walls in right now. Hopefully the color come out nice. We about to see though. What you think, Smoke? You think it's gonna be a nice color? And this the all the wall, nigga, like all the hustle. That trim's supposed to be down. Shit. Got past that hole. Everything pretty much same from last night vlog, you know what I'm saying? But today is different. I got Rob about to come shoot the whole day for me. Shit. On some cabinets pull up, I'm about to start getting sturdy. Tone bailed on me today. He was supposed to pull up, he ain't pull up. Sorry though. Everything's sturdy, we gonna be all right. I'm exhausted. I ain't even gonna hold you, I'm exhausted. Today has been a very productive day. I can't complain. I'm sitting over here waiting for the guy for the cabinets right now to pull up. Everything pretty much sturdy. Let's see. Let's see. Is the camera gonna stay? Let's see. Here we go. Yeah. Everything pretty much sturdy. I ended up doing like these cabinets. Over here, these is the base cabinets. And I gotta wait for somebody to build out the back so I can put this in there and it'll be sturdy or whatever. But other than that, these are the top cabinets, which is the wall cabinets, obviously. They open this way. So somebody at the sink right here, they're good. They whoop, open this up, do whatever you need. Use this, whatever. Perfect. Level and everything. Like, ain't no issue. This is my switch for the light. I could put that light in too as soon as shit today, but I'm gonna probably do that tomorrow. On top of starting to get the, well, this is the wall filler. Shit, what was this for? Wow. I think the wall filler was for that. Caulk him up. I'm gonna say that's what it's for, but it's a couple of them shits, matter of fact. And it's the kick place too, wherever they might be. But yeah, over here, we ended up putting up the wall cabinet. 18 base. I'm gonna switch the door around on this cabinet because when somebody at the stove, I want them to be able to open the door the other way. Like this one, you can open up the door like this, you feel me? So, this perfect. Gotta wait for the electrician to come move this box up here. This box has to, I need this power to go directly into the, this big cabinet. It's gonna go up like this because the microwave is going right underneath it. So shit about to be perfect, man. Everything working out how it should be. I'm grateful for it. This is how I look from this way though. Let me see, straighten out the camera. I bet, boom. You know what I'm saying? And like this, it's exactly what the mock-up is. This is what we're looking at right now. So we got that cabinet that's laying on top of that one, which is that right there. And that's gonna go in the middle. That's that 30 by 12. And then I got this cabinet, which is the wall cabinet. That's gonna go on the left side of that. But obviously I gotta build them together. So that will go first, clamp the cabinets together, then put that one on, clamp the cabinets together, put the microwave right under that. Shit gonna be beautiful. A difference of coat of paint to make. I don't know what y'all think about the color. We still gotta hit the trim. Trim gonna make it pop though. It's gonna be semi-gloss white. But this the wall color for now. Ceilings is pretty much done. Got a touch up there. Obviously that's not complete, but shit, man, this is just a progress update. For me, this is what we do for a living. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show you how the kitchen. Cocina, la cocina, see. This is the kitchen. On the walk-in, this is how you see. Boom. Feel me? Microwave, stove. This is sink base. Again, granite countertops. Putting a fridge in the cabinet right there. All this about to get taped up and buttoned up. Make all this shit nice with good door trimming on. Man, listen, believe me when I tell you, man. This shit going down right now, you heard? Boom. Ceiling. Changing this light fixture, obviously, but this just got painted and cut in on the edges. I gotta get this piece fixed. We had a little leak right there. The pipe literally was hanging, yo. We had no clue. Fixed it, ain't none of that. Boom. This gotta get cut in. I gotta go to Home Depot, grab some more ceiling paint real quick, but shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I think this is the best look we've had since we've been in here of the fireplace. Like, the fireplace look gorgeous. Feel me? This shit, yo. Let's see what it look like. Man, quit playing. Feel me? Super. What's that? Oh. Feel me? Good fireplace. I ain't doing nothing to it. Just painting around it.